9th class student exercise 2.5 question number 14 is without actually calculating the cube. First part is -12 bracket close cube plus 7 bracket cube plus 5 bracket close. Find the value. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube will be c cube will be 3 into a into b into c. That is identity. Bracket sum is 0. -12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube will be 3 into -12 into 7 into 5. After multiply, plus minus minus, 12 5 जा 60, 3 7 जा 21 into 60 is equal to -0.6126. First part is complete. Second part is will be digit is change. 28 is plus -15 and -30. Sum of the in bracket is 0. So 28 cube plus -15 cube plus -13 cube will be 3 into 28 into -15 into -13. After multiply, 28 3 is 84 into minus minus plus multiply is 15 3 is 45, 15 1 is 15, 195. After multiply, 195 multiply by 84, 5 4 is 20, 78, 8 5 is 40, 9 8 is 72, 76, 7 0 8 5 3 and 6 3 8 0 will be value. Question 14 is complete. Question 15 is give possible the area is equal to 25 a square minus 35a plus 12. Second part is area equal 35 y square plus 13y minus 12. Given in question, do the factor 5 multiply is 12 is 300. 300 factor will be 20 plus 15 plus 12, it is same, multiply by a and multiply by minus in bracket minus 20a plus minus minus 15a plus 12. Make the pair to take the common 5a common from the first pair. After common 5a minus 4 and minus 3 will be common from the second pair. After common 3 5 is 15 plus minus minus 4. 5a minus 4 and second bracket will be 5a minus 3. That is area. Area will be 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. Area will L into B. Dimension of rectangle L will be 5a minus 3 units. B will be 5a minus 4. First part is complete. Second part, it is same. Multiply by 300. 300 factor is 12 5 60. 12 3 36 or 6. 420 factor will be 28 minus 15. Y minus 12. 35 y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Multiply by y in bracket. Make the pair to take the common. 7y will be common from the first pair. 7 5 5y plus 4. After common minus 3 common. 5y minus minus is plus 4. That is area 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3. Area will L into B. L could be 5y plus 4 units. B will be 7y minus 3. Question 15 is complete. 16 question is given the volume of the cuboid. 16 volume is 3x square minus 12x in first part. Second part is volume is equal to 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20 k. Do the factor. 3x is common. After common, x minus 4. That is volume. Volume will be L into B into H. That is formula. Possible dimension of cuboid could be 3 into x into x minus 4 units. Four k is common. After common, 3y square plus 2y minus 5. 5 3 is 15. 15 factor will be 4k is common. Factor will be 5 and 3. Y square plus 5 minus 3y minus 5. 4k. Remove the small bracket. Plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. 4k to make the pair to take the common. 3y plus 5. After common minus 1 common is 3y plus 5 minus minus plus 4k 3y plus 5 and y minus 1. Possible dimension of cuboid 4k 3y into 3y plus into y minus 1 units. Thank you.